the February security patch and update for Google Pixel phones is starting to roll out today. So hooray, on time, first Monday of the month, and a couple new things in here. But this is for the Pixel 5a all the way up to the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, Pixel Fold, all that stuff. So let's talk about it briefly about the couple of things. So it's not a whole lot. So what we have here is general improvements for system stability and performance in certain conditions, which, I mean, who knows what those certain conditions are, but either way, we have that. Fix for display getting corrupted in certain conditions. Fix for issue with outer display in certain conditions. Of course, that's going to be like a Pixel Fold thing. And fix for stability or performance with certain third-party apps. And then lastly, general improvements for Wi-Fi stability and performance in certain conditions. I love that term, certain conditions, because it's like, well, what is it? What are these conditions? I would like to know what they are. So this is Pixel 5a all the way up to, again, the Pixel 8 series, so Pixel 7, Pixel 6, Pixel Fold, all that jazz. Starting to roll out now. So that doesn't mean that you're going to check and go check for your system update and it's magically going to be there. It's going to start rolling out throughout this week. So you could get it today, you could get it tomorrow. Heck, you could get it Friday. So if you don't have it today, that's okay. But just go into your system settings, go check system update, press that little green button, check for update, because a lot of times when you go there, it'll just say your phone is up to date and it doesn't automatically detect that it's there. So push that little green button that says check for update. And I know I tell people to do this every month, but hey, it's even happened to me in the past where, oh, it's not there, my phone's up to date. Just press the green button. And then, again, like I said, if it's not there today, that's fine. I mean, I've got a lot of different Pixel phones. It's not showing up on my phone yet. It's not the end of the world. So there's that. A couple new other things. There was an emergency patch, which is probably combined with this. There was some issue with last month's update where it was essentially kind of like bricking some people's phones and causing some severe problems that required like a factory reset to fix, at least from what I understand. That sucks. So hopefully we don't have that again this month. There was a lot that kind of went on this last month. We got the updates. You got the circle to search now. That's something that's cool. You've also got the thermometer update, so you can actually check a temperature for a human being. So that's kind of neat, very much like a temporal scanner, and a couple other things that are in there. So hopefully you got that. Hopefully you get this update. They've been doing pretty good. Like, I got to give them some credit. They really have stepped it up since the Pixel 8 came out. It's been kind of like the Wild West the last couple of years, especially with some phones, and then some phones on some carriers, and yada, yada, yada. Like, you know, if you've got a Pixel phone, you're probably well aware of this, and I don't need to tell you. But I've been really, really happy since the Pixel 8 series came out, because with the Tensor G3, it's been a fantastic chip. I've really enjoyed it. Powerful, smooth. It's been a very bug-free experience. Like, I've had a great experience with my Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. And, of course, I love this baby blue color. Of course, it matches my shirt as well, too. And it still makes my screen turn different colors because, I don't know, maybe it's a reflective bar. But anyway, so there's that. I do have a new video coming soon, finally comparing the Pixel 8 Pro and the S24 Ultra. I've really enjoyed the S24 Ultra. I really like the Pixel 8 Pro. And it's going to be some topic of discussion because, well, the Pixel 8 Pro it's been hailed as the smartest smartphone. And then we have the S24 Ultra, which we have Samsung AI, AI for all, blah, 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 all that stuff. So I want to do kind of like an in-depth analysis on that. I got a video coming soon, along with some follow-up stuff on the Pixel. Hey, you guys and gals know this is a Pixel spot. I make a lot of Pixel videos. I love these phones. I cover them. Just as supportive as I am, though, I can also be critical because, you know, I hold these guys to a high standard. They make Android. They make the Pixel phone. It should be the best whenever it comes to the Android world. So whenever they have these little snafus, it's something that I like to highlight and also make sure you guys are aware of as well. So, cool things. And also, we're already on, like, it's almost time for the new quarterly patch. I believe it comes out next month. It was December, so January, February, March. So yeah, I believe next month is already the next quarterly feature drop. We'll see what we get there. It's been pretty exciting because they've been dropping a lot of new stuff. There have been so many updates, so many new things. We got the Gemini Nano AI that we got here recently. We got the Circle to Search. We've got some other updates. So Google really seems like they're trying to compete very heavily in the software department, which of course is their bread and butter and their specialty, especially as the owners of Android. So I thought it was interesting when the S24 Ultra was launched and it came out, and they were like, oh, we have Circle to Search. It's this great new AI feature. And then bam, like immediately there was a tweet from Google like, it's coming out on the same day for us. So that's one thing I talked about before when I was like, okay, the Samsung phone is going to have capabilities. It's going to have the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3. It's going to have some AI stuff, but how much of it will be meaningful AI? How much of it will be their own AI? And how much of it is actually something that's going to be a Google feature that happens to be available on the Samsung? And there's kind of a good blend of that. So I still maintain that the Pixel 8 Pro is the smartest smartphone. But hey, we'll see how things go. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. Don't want to waste your time. Again, hopefully you get the update. Go ahead. When you get the update, if you could please, and you're watching this video, sound off in the comments. I'd love to know what region you're in, what phone you have, what carrier that you're using. Don't worry, I don't need to know your address for when you were a kid or your kindergarten teacher's name or your mother's maiden name. Like, I'm not trying to get security questions here. I'm not trying to fool anybody. But yeah, I'd like to know just so I can kind of keep track of it, because sometimes it's weird how they do things and where they roll out. So that's all I got. Gonna wrap this one up. Again, hopefully this was helpful. Enjoy your update. Get your new security patch for the month of February. And that's all I got. So if you have any questions or comments, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, if you like the Pixel content, you are in the right place. Hit the like and the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you get updates when new videos come out, which is pretty much every day. I mean, I already dropped another video this morning on my review for the OnePlus 12R. So cover a lot of stuff here. If you're into that, if you're a tech nerd and enthusiast, this could be a good place for you to hang out. So that's all I got. As always, thanks for being here. Have a wonderful week. It's only Monday, so there's a lot of hope. So hopefully you have a good week. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you guys next time.